Cinematography at its finest. Couldn't have gone better. Guessing my X-Acto nut? Oh, you're sitting on it. All right, boys. I should probably explain what's in the box first.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? It's a good movie. Is this title down here? Is that clickbait? I don't know. I try to not do clickbait just because A, I'm really not creative enough to do clickbait, and B, I mean, I don't think people actually like it, do they? It's not really clickbait though, because it's kind of true. So, I'm so jacked for what I'm about to unbox. It's probably the coolest thing that I've got for this car. Maybe beyond my steering wheel. I'm really excited about my steering wheel, I don't know why. But aesthetically, maybe once I get seats, that might be the coolest thing. But I'm really stoked about what's in the box. So, if you're on Instagram, first off, follow my Instagram, shameless plug. Bing, or bing, or bing. One of those two, it'll happen. I follow this guy. It's gotta focus eventually, am I right? It's gotta be me. There's gotta be a quicker way to have this thing focus. Alright, well, screw it. You guys will see who I'm talking about here. His name on Instagram is Violent M3. Again, try and post it there, but I don't think y'all will see that. So Violent M3, if you follow him, post cool stuff about E36s, but he also does giveaways and raffles, which ended up to be, perfect for me. And the box, that box, is why it was perfect for me. So he had a raffle for an OEM LTW GT wing, which is like the perfect wing for the build for this car, because it's, I believe, if memory serves, I may be incorrect, but I believe the OEM wing that this came with, or the only version of this car for 95 was an LTW GT. I believe the GT wing was the only one that came on this car. So I believe it's period correct for a 95. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've been known to be wrong. I'm quite often wrong. So let me know if I'm wrong. But he had a raffle for an OEM LTW GT wing, which goes for, market value for those are like, I want to say 12 to 1300 bucks if you can find them. They're just really hard to even find. I completely spaced it. I was in Kansas over the holidays and I was checking my Instagram. It was rude of me to do that. I was checking my Instagram and I saw he had 3 spots left. I believe it was capped at like 24 spots or something like that for the raffle. I really, really wanted this wing and they're impossible to find. They were $50 entries, I believe. If memory serves, $50 entries, and there were 3 spots left, so I just got all 3 of them. So I PayPal'd them 150 bucks and kind of forgot about it. Later on that night, we're eating dinner and I get a message from him that says congrats, and I was like, what are you talking about, congrats? And I checked his Instagram. Oh God. Don't worry, it's just me and a camera. Nice tractor. I checked his Instagram and sure enough, he put all the entries into like a spreadsheet or a text file, threw them into auto or a random picker on just an online thing, and sure enough, I was picked for it. I won an OEM LTW GT wing, which is freaking perfect for this build. I'm so stoked. So I just got it yesterday. I didn't want to open it in case anything was wrong. He got it insured, so I want to open it on camera. But yeah, let's unbox this thing. I am so jacked. So we're gonna, after I unbox it, I'm gonna find, since I'm new to Austin, I don't really know any paint and body work guys. I reached out to one of my guys, reached out to this guy. Man, this camera just does not focus. It's awful. I'm gonna do my best to tag all these people in this video so y'all can see these guys. But I reached out to my boy, his name's Tier, who is well connected in the car scene down here. He works at a place called The Driveway, which is where I did my track certification so I can go mob this beast around the track. And he shot me someone's contact info for paint and body work. So I'm probably gonna throw the wing over to him. Violent M3, his name's Kevin. He did say there were some pieces that probably needed to be replaced on this wing. I don't know the first thing about body work, so I don't know how to fix it. But let's unbox this thing. And I mean, this is a $150 LTW GT wing. So I mean, I couldn't care less if I have to replace a few things. I'm freaking jacked on it. So let's unbox this. I gotta do a better job of Instagramming. So I'm gonna Instagram real quick. Let's. All right, Instagramming done. Let's get back to you guys. Give me a follow, eh? Got a little ink cap here. What is this? He gave me paperworks? No way. Duh. Installation instructions. What a G. Thank you, Kevin. Original BMW M rear spoiler class 2. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked with this. Yup, there it is. Well, it's upside down for y'all, but oh my gosh, this is so sick. So I'm gonna have to take this to the body shop and probably have the, oh, you can't see me. Take this to the body shop and have them probably replace the hardware in it. I don't know how hard that is. This is perfect though. I didn't want, well, I guess you can. You got you M3 experts out there. I guess there are risers that you can put to make this wing go higher or lower. Ooh, and yes! My boy Brett over at M Sport Parts, he sent me these a while back because the guy can obviously see into the future. These gurney flaps. Oh, so sick! So I can add those to these too. I mean, I'll have to look into, I don't know if they were put on factory. I mean, I'm sure they're factory if he sells them, because that boy only does correct. So he knows what's up. Dude, so this is it. OEM LTW GT wing that I got for 150 bucks. I don't think that's clickbait. I just got lucky, right? I'd rather be lucky than good any day. Should we see how it looks? Oh my gosh, hold on. Good job. All right, so there's no bolts on the bottom of this, so. Oh, how's it look? Can't see it. It's gonna stay. Oh, it's gonna stay. No, literally will not fall. Okay. Yes. Dude. I don't even know if that's on there correct. Dude, I'm so stoked about this. I definitely wanted arrow on this, I just didn't know which one I wanted. That is the perfect height. In my opinion, that's the perfect height, as is. Oh, I'm so jacked on this. So, I guess body shop, have them replace the hardware that's just old. I mean, it's just old, so I'm not even gonna say it's bad. It's just, well, it is bad. It's old bad, but you know what I mean. So, anyway, that's it. OEM LTW GT wing, part of the E36 project. Can't even talk. And then all we're waiting on really is brake lines to get this thing up to the alignment shop to get the new suspension dialed in. We got to bed in the new brakes that I did the other day, which you saw. Man, I'm so jacked with this project. I mean, I don't know if it's just me, but doing projects like this and seeing them come together, oh man, it's so good. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Smash the like button. Thank you, Violent M3. Here's his IG again. I appreciate the giveaway. He's an awesome guy. So go follow his channel or his Instagram. I believe he has 2, so I'll ding ding right there. Go give him a follow. He's a good guy. Good E36 content and just car content altogether. So cheers, guys. Smash the subscribe button and I will see you on the next episode. Peace.